You need to hear this if you're an AI enthusiast who's tired of boring text. Imagine turning your words into eye-catching videos, instantly. Let me show you the tool making it happen. Meet Xtool, an AI that transforms plain text into animated explainer clips in seconds. Check this out. Just paste your script, hit preview, and boom, watch your words come alive with auto illustrations, synced voiceover, and one-click export. No video editing headaches, no design skills required. Picture this, your old blog posts, email updates, even spicy tweets, all repurposed into motion videos you can upload, share, and engage with. Here's a real example. I dropped in a 200-word script, hit generate, and in 45 seconds, this popped out. Pause for animated result. Want the full tutorial? Smash that like button, subscribe for days 11 through 30, and tell me in the comments, what AI tool should I test next? Let's make your content go from bland to brilliant, thanks to Xtool.